Do being the camera here, and there's some changes to my police cars. These two have light bulb, and I actually broke this one. I might break one D. I might break this light bulb and put on this one, but I might just leave it. And this one has no light bulb too. I got 3 strict top units now, but these two wasn't supposed to be a strict top, but since they don't have no light bulb, they are strict tops. I like this one because since the 2020 Police Interceptor, it looks nice. A strict top 2024 Sport.
God damn it! You're recording, aren't you?
No.
Yeah, you are.
Now back to the thing. Strict top 2024 Sport. Looks nice. A regular one and a strict top one now. And then a strict top. I like this one because it's a strict top Charger. Every strict top Dodge Charger looks nice than a regular one with a light bulb on top. I actually, before I made this video, I actually broke the light bulb because it was broken on this side, so I didn't like it, so I just said, fuck it, just take the light bulb off. This one, I didn't mean, I dropped it when I was looking at it, and it broke, and it fell in the fence. Sorry, I'm back again. Here's my 2016 Explorer, and that's 2016 Explorer. And then my 2024 Explorer. Strict top, 2 regular, strict top, regular. Those are done. That might not be a full Explorer, but I was showing it. My 2 Pennsylvania Police Interceptors, Unit N2 and Unit T3. State Trooper. I don't know why. Oh, yep, it says State Trooper. Nothing have changed about these. I know I'm not going to make this one a strict top. I actually like it the way it is. Those are done. I'll be back. My Crown Vics. These are all different years. This is a 2008 Crown Vic. 2010 Crown Vic. Also 2008 Crown Vic. And another 2010 Crown Vic. I'm going to start with this one. Wearing blue lights. Nothing I've changed about this. Can't open up the hood, it won't stay up. I'll be buying me some more when I get money. My 2008 Crown Vic. Yeah, this is definitely 2008 because this one has the same back to this one, but different color. That's my sheriff on the Walking Dead vehicle. Blue lights. I can open up the hood to this one. Same style underneath. My Orlando for the police. Push bubble. Red and blue and white. Jackson. One blue lights again. 2008. Convict. Jackson. I don't know if the Fair's picking up the song that's playing. One up, left foot side. Here's my Shook Top Dodge Charger. I've got this one was the Shook Top. I got this one, the two Spos, and the Charger now. Two Shook Top Chargers. One's 2010. This one is 2008. My Ford F-350 Bruce Interceptor for the State Trooper. Usually, some will say Highway Patrol to hitch on it. FHP with the stove, light bulb on top. I wonder what this will look like if I take off the light bulb, but I'm not. I like the way it is. Here's my Dodge Charger. I don't think this one had a push bulb, but it broke. Light. Whoever send this to me, put the light bulb sideways a little bit. You can see it on the side. NYPD 2016 Dodge Charger. Here's my also 2016 Charger. Georgia State Trooper. GSP. Here's my Ford Expo. I had to go. You can see there, I had a good push bulb because it broke. The Adam Sheriff one, it broke too. That's my cop cars. See ya.